Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we are talking about a VPN service called SafeShellVPN. I have been testing it recently and many people are asking, is SafeShellVPN really secure? And is it better than other VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN? So in this video, I will give you my full review in simple and honest word. If you are looking for a new VPN, this will help you to decide. But first, make sure to check the description below. I have added the latest link to SafeShellVPN and any discount offer that's currently active. It might save you some money if you decide to try it out. Alright, so let's get started. So what is a VPN? A VPN or virtual private network help you to hide your IP address, keep your data safe and browse the internet more privately. Now there are many VPNs out there, but SafeShellVPN is starting to get more popular, especially because of its focus on security. One thing I really liked about SafeShellVPN is that it uses military-grade encryption. That means all your data like websites you visit, files you download or messages you send is fully protected. Even hackers or your internet provider cannot see it. Another great thing is the no-log policy. This means SafeShellVPN doesn't save any record of what you do online. So even the company itself cannot see your activity. This is very important for privacy lovers. Now let's talk about speed. In my testing, the connection speed was very stable. I tried watching videos in HD, downloading files and using social media. All was running without any problem. It's not the fastest VPN I have tried, but it's definitely good enough for daily uses. SafeShellVPN also has servers in many countries, so if you want to watch content from other countries or far countries from US, UK, Japan or ASEAN, you can easily change your location with just one click. This is great for Netflix users or people who want to unblock websites. One thing I noticed that the interface is very simple. Even if you are not good with computer, you will still be able to use it. Just install the app, log in and tap to connect. That's it. Now let's be honest, SafeShellVPN is not as famous as some bigger names like NordVPN, but it's doing a great job in terms of security and ease of use. It also comes at a lower price than most top-level VPNs, which makes it a good choice if you want something affordable but reliable. So is SafeShellVPN the most secure VPN you can get? I would say for the price and the feature, it is one of the better choice, especially if your main goal is safety and privacy. If you want something simple, strong and affordable, you should definitely give it a try. So again, don't forget to check the description below of this video. You will get a link or special offer. If this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.